Welcome to my YouTube channel. 9 divided by 9 divided by 9 divided by 9 is equal to what? Most people just take a look and calculate the answer. 1 divided by 1. So 1 will be their answer. How they calculated? They divide 9 by 9 1 and 9 by 9 again 1 divided by 1 is simple, so 1 will be our answer, but it is not correct. Are you shocked to hear that 1 is not correct answer? Let us handle this question according to Pemdas. We have only division, division, division. So we have to move from left to right. Either we have multiplication and division, then again we have to move from left to right, because division and multiplication both are same. So first of all, handle this. 9 divided by 9 gives us 1. Okay, all this portion is copied. Divided by 9 divided by 9. Now solve this, because we have to move from left to right. So 1 divided by 9 is now our target, which can be written as 1 over 9 divided by 9. Now apply KCF. Keep, change, flip. So keep, okay, 1 over 9 is kept. C, change, divide is changed. No, it is changed into multiplication. 9 is flipped. It is basically 9 over 1. So after flipping, it will become 1 over 9. So 1 times 1 gives us 1. 9 times 9 gives us 81. So 1 over 81 will be the correct answer for this PEMDAS based activity. Thank you.